Ichiro, what is this really cool apparel that you're wearing?
This is we call smart apparel, which has many kinds of sensors on the shirt embedded in here, and this is machine washable, and we can wear anytime, anywhere, any places. Yeah.
Now we're seeing some interesting things, like your colleague playing the drums there, and we also saw the skeletal outfit there. So what are the applications for this?
Actually, we can make many things like gaming or this kind of things. This is motion capture. Motion capture can be used for instance, rehabilitation. So patients can monitor their movement, or we can use it in industry. So factory worker can be monitored what kind of things they are doing. Or of course, sports. We can monitor the sports form. Yeah.
And what sort of premium do these kind of clothes add? You know, for a regular pair of jeans, is it 10% more for this or 20%? What would you talk?
And actually, of course, it's not really cheap, but
yeah,
still, it's not really expensive. So actually, this one will be somewhere around $100 or $200 or something like that. Yeah, it's just like you can buy it.
But again, it's for applications, especially with health and so forth, that you couldn't get data cheap enough before, right? With this, you can collect data?
Yeah, actually, that's our target because the data is very important. And also, the shirt is always we are wearing, right? So that's the only device that we've been wearing more than 100 years. That's why we are trying to make sensors onto the fabric. Yeah.
So are we talking about a lot of data here that has to be transmitted from this shirt? How are you doing it?
Actually, this one has a Bluetooth in here, and that one also transmitted on the back. This one also have transmitted in the back. So we are using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and any kinds of things. Yeah.
So it just goes to your smartphone to an app, and then it go to your doctor, I guess.
Exactly.
Excellent. And this is available today?
Actually, this is going to be commercialized within this year, but we already have this one, so you can buy it at the store. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, Ichiro, thank you very much for your time. Good luck.
Thank you very much.